Oi, oi. Good morning. Well, you guessed it, today is going to be an interesting day because today we're going flying. And it's been a canny long time. But we're going to go and hit a bando. But yeah, so we're on my way to the Bando fire station. It's been a while. Gonna meet some of the lads. Fly some packs. Well, I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty disappointed because I'm nearly there and I've just realised I've left my portable speaker at home. Well, we're just getting to the spot and there's some barriers up on the bridge, so we'll kind of go across, park next to the spot. Just had to park on the street instead, but you know, that's what FPV's about, improvising. But anyway, just waiting for Jordan and oh, is this him now? There he is. So as you can see, we're at the spot now, social distancing, we've got our masks and that. So it's not been a particularly fruitful day today. I was going to do a nice little vlog about ND filters, and instead I've just lost loads of them, broke a few, smashed a lens on a Hero 7, lost loads of props, and this place, well, that's right mate, it doesn't. It takes no prisoners, and seems I need to get a bit more practice in, like. See you next time.